अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड करूँ। ए ट्राइंगल ABC in which BC is parallel to D, and we find the value of C by taking ratio between the sides of the triangle. In question 1, part 1, we have AD is equal to 1.5, measure of AD, and measure of BD is equal to 3 centimeter, and the next is measure of AE is equal to 1.3 centimeter, and we find the value of C. We first calculate the ratio between the sides of the equation, which are AD over BD is equal to AE over measure of EC. Now we put the values of the sides and find the value of C. AD is 1.5, BD is 3 is equal to A is 1.3, and the other value which we find is measure of EC. By cross multiplying we find measure of EC is equal to 1.3 multiplied by 3 over 1.5. Simplify it, remove the decimals, we get 13 over 100 multiplied by 15 over 10 multiplied by 3. Now simplify this, 10 cancel with 10, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. The answer is 13 over 5, and we simplify it by dividing 13 by 5. We get 5 2s are 10, 3 30, 5 6 are 30. So the value of EC is equal to 2.6 centimeter. And next, which is second part, in which measure of AD is equal to 2.4, measure of AE is equal to 3.2 centimeter, and measure of EC is equal to 4.8 centimeter, and we find the value of measure of EB. AC is equal to AE plus EC. We find the value of AC, in which AE is equal to 3.2, EC is 4.8. Calculate it. 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 5 and 3 8, 8.0 centimeter. And now we compare the ratio between the values. We have AB over AD is equal to AC over AE. Now we put the values of the sides of a triangle and find the measure of AB over AD is 2.4 is equal to AC is 8 over A is 3.2, and measure of AB is equal to 8 multiplied by 2.4 over 3. Now simplify these values by removing the decimal. We have 8 multiplied by 24 over 32 multiplied by 10. Now simplify these values. 8 ones are 8, 8 fours are 32. It is divided by 10 because here is 2.4. 10 remove 10, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. So measure of AB is equal to 6 cm. L, M, N, and a line PQ. In this triangle, PQ is parallel to N, and part 1. The values of measure of LM is equal to 5 centimeter. Measure of LP is equal to 2.5 centimeter, which is 2.5, and measure of LQ is equal to 2.3 centimeter, and we find the value of LN. So we compare the ratio of the values. In which LM over LP, length of LM over length of LP, and is equal to measure of length LN over measure of length LQ. Now we put the values of the given lengths. LM is 5 centimeter, so it is 5 over LP is 2.5. 2.5 is equal to, and Ln, we find the value of Ln, and the given value of measure of length LQ is 2.3. For solving these values, we cross multiply. We get measure of Ln multiplied by 2.5 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2.3, and measure of length Ln is equal to 5 multiplied by 2.3 over 2.5. Now we simplify these values. 5 multiplied by 23 over 10 and 25 multiplied by 10. Now we simplify these values. 10 cancel with 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. The answer is 23 over 5, and we convert them in the decimal. 5 fours are 20, 2 carry 30, 5 6 are 30. In second part, we have the values. Length of LM is equal to 6 centimeter. Measure of length LQ is equal to 2.5 centimeter, and the third value is QN is equal to 5 centimeter, and the triangle is same, LMN, where PQ is parallel to MN, and we compare the values to find the value of measure of LP. So we first take the ratios between the values. Measure of length LP over measure of length LM is equal to measure of length LQ over measure of length QN, and then we put the values we are given and find the value of LP. measure of length LP over measure of length LM is 6 centimeter is equal to measure of length LQ is 2.5 over measure of length QN is 5. So we cross multiply the values and then find the value of LP. The LP is equal to 2.5 over 5 multiplied by 6. Now simplify it. 25 over 10 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6. Simplify these values. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 ones are 2. Sorry. The second part of question 3 is measure of length LM is equal to 6 centimeter. Measure of LQ is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Measure of QN is equal to 5 centimeter. And we find the length of LP. Now we comparing these values by taking the ratio measure of LP over measure of LM is equal to measure of LQ over measure of LN. And we know that the length LN is equal to LQ plus QN. So we convert the LN into LQ plus QN and we write it M LP over M LN is equal to M LQ over measure of LQ plus measure of QN. Now we put the values in the question. We get measure of LP over measure of length LM is 6 centimeter is equal to measure of length LQ is 2.5 and measure of length LQ is equal to 2.5 while length QN is 5. Now simplify these values. LP over 6 is equal to 2.5 over 7.5. Now simplify this value to find the length of LP is equal to 2.5 over 7.5 multiplied by 6. Now simplify these values. We get 25 over 10 multiplied by 75 and remove the decimal. 10 is with the numerator position and multiply by 6. Now simplify. 10 multiplied by 10 cancel with 10. 25 ones are 25, 25 3s are 75, 3 ones are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So length of LP is 2 centimeter. Here is the triangle PQR. It is PQR triangle. PQR, and we have a length AB which is parallel to QR, and the values are length of PA is equal to 8x minus 7 and PB is equal to 4x minus 3, and the next is AQ is equal to 5x minus 3, and the next BR is equal to 3x minus 1, In this question, we find the value of x. First, we take the ratio between the sides of the triangle PQR, which is PA over AQ, PA over AQ is equal to PB over BR. Now we put the values given in the question. PA is 8x minus 7 over AQ is 5x minus 3 is equal to PB is 4x minus 3 over BR is 3x minus 1. In this way, we cross multiply the values. We get 8x minus 7 into 3x minus 1 is equal to 5x minus 3, 4x minus 3. Now simplify these values. We get 8x multiplied by 3x, we have 24x square minus 8x minus 21x plus 7 is equal to 5 4s are 20x square minus 15x minus 12x plus 9. And then we simplify these values. We get 24x square minus 8 and minus 21 is minus 29x plus 7 is equal to 20x square minus 15 and minus 12 we get minus 27x plus 9. And we shift the right hand side value to the left hand. We get 24x square minus 29x plus 7 minus 20x square plus 27x minus 9 is equal to 0. Simplify these values. 24x square minus 20x square is equal to 4x square minus 29x plus 27x we get minus 2x, and the next is plus 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2 is equal to 0. Take common 2 in the question. We get 2x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, and divided by 2 both sides we get 2x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we factorize. This is a quadratic equation, and solve for the value of x by the factorization. So it is 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Take up 2x, x minus 1 plus 1, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x minus 1, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we find the value of x, in which x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, and the other is 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to minus 1, and x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Here is a triangle LMN. L, M, and N. We have L, angle bisect, it is A. Here is value at 8, 6 and 4. The question is, in a triangle LMN, LA bisect angle L. LA, this length bisect angle L. And we have some values which are measure of L, M is equal to 6, measure of Ln is equal to 4, and measure of Mn is equal to 8. And so we find the value of measure of MA and length of ANRNA. First we compare the ratios of the two triangles LMA and LNA. If we consider NA, length of NA is equal to X. Then length of MA is equal to 8 minus X. Because length of MN is equal to 8, if it is X, then this side is 8 minus X. And now we compare the ratios of the values in which measure of MA over measure of ANRNA, and the next is measure of LM over measure of LN. Now we put the values in this ratio. We get MA is 8 minus X, or ANRNA is X, is equal to LM. LM is 6 over LN is 4. Now we solve it by cross multiplying the values. We get 6x is equal to 4, 8 minus x. Simplify it. 6x minus 32, 6x is equal to 32 minus 4x. Minus 4x shifted on the left side, we get 6x plus 4x is equal to 32. And it is 10x is equal to 32. So x is equal to 32 over 10, which is equal to 3.2 centimeter. So x is the value of AN, or we call it NA. Measure of NA is equal to x, which is 3.2 centimeter. And other value is measure of MA, which is 8 minus x, and we get 8 minus 3.2. The answer, we subtract 3.2 from 8, we get 4.8 centimeter. We have a triangle PQR. It is PQR. And it is PQR is an isosceles triangle. Draw perpendicular from P to QR. Here it is 10 centimeter. It is X. This side is equal to this side. It is 6 centimeter, and it is Y. And we find the value of X and Y. And we write it L, point L, PL. There are two triangles now, PQL and PRL. First we prove that some values and then solve. In triangle PQL, compare with triangle PRL, in which PQ is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Because it is a isosceles triangle, so these two lengths are equal. And PL is equal to PL. It is a common length. And next, because these two sides are equal, the opposite angles are also equal. And angle PQL is equal to angle PRL. So when two triangles are equal, then all other values of the triangle are equal. So we write it QL is equal to RL. QL is 6 centimeter and RL is equal to Y. So we write it Y is equal to 6 centimeter. And we also know that because PQR is a isosceles triangle, their two sides are equal. The side PQ is equal to PR. So we write their values. PQ is 10 centimeter and PR is X. So the value of X is equal to 10 centimeter. And this is the value of X and Y in this